Let me walk you through uploading your own font in Canva. Okay, so we're already logged in. Great start. But before we dive in, a quick note. If you're using the free version of Canva, this feature won't work. You'll need Canva Pro or a free trial to upload custom fonts. Just wanted to save you time in case that applies. First, grab the font file you want. I'm using dafont.com here. Found one I love. Hit download, and boom, it's a zip file. Once it's done downloading, unzip that folder somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a document. Now, back to Canva. Click Text on the left sidebar. Add a text box to your design, and then look up at the font drop-down menu. Scroll all the way down until you spot Upload a Font. Remember, this button's only active for Pro users. Click it, and your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to that unzipped folder. Pick the font file, usually ending in TTF or OTF, and hit Open. Canva might ask if you have permission to use the font. That's it, your font starts uploading right away. Once done, you'll see it under Uploaded Fonts in the dropdown. Now, go wild. Use it just like any other font in your design. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you do hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with, "I subscribe," so I can shout you a personal thank you. Seriously, it means the world. Thanks for hanging out, and have an awesome day. Go make something amazing with your new font.